Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact Ubisoft account email and username you'll be recovering. Once done, gather the devices and access points: phone, backup email, any authenticator app, and recovery codes. Make sure you can receive messages. If your phone is lost, note details like IMEI or proof of purchase, because you'll need them for support verification. Now open Ubisoft Connect or the web account page and choose "I can't access my two-step verification" to trigger the recovery flow, and you'll now follow the recovery form carefully. Choose the option for lost two-step authentication and pick whether to verify by email or by submitting a support request. Provide precise account proofs, recent billing details, transaction ID, or last login locations, because those confirm ownership. If Ubisoft requests ID, upload only the requested document types and follow the file size and naming rules. Stay attentive to confirmation emails and their required next steps, and keep copies of everything you submit in case you must reference them. Once Ubisoft approves, you'll receive a temporary code or a reset link to the verified email. Use that immediately to sign in, and then re-enable two-step authentication with a new authenticator app. Make sure to generate and securely store fresh recovery codes. Treat them like spare keys. If your request is denied, don't stop. Escalate by replying to support with all previously submitted proof, add the IMEI or purchase receipt, and ask for a manual review. This often resolves edge cases where automated checks fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.